All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to answer the question that everybody keeps asking me is, where's the vet? What's going on? What's the status of my Corvette since I blew it up 3/4 of the way through last season, the engine that is. So it's right here. I've been spending quite a lot of time. You know, life has come up and got in the way. I bought this car for my wife. This is her race car. We've had some issues with the engine and that. So I'm going to take that to the mechanic and focus on my vet. So status of the vet. I got my LS3 short block sitting right there, right next to the blown up LS6. That's the stroker engine, a stroker LS3 aluminum from Texas Speed and Performance. I've got a carbon fiber drive shaft in the torque tube. I got that installed fairly recently. And then I tore apart the dash, so there is nothing left in here anymore. And I have spent quite a bit of time up there making it much larger, so that way I can more easily get the torque tube in and out of this car, because I'm tired of spending so much time working on it. I want to be able to take the torque tube out real easy. And part of that comes in with the oiling system. So I spent a lot of time ordering this. This came in super late. Definitely not sponsored, but Aviade ordered this like 4-gallon tank from them. And I wanted one with dash 16 AN lines in and out, and breather out, everything. I wanted the largest lines you could get. So I got that tank, and then I got their breather kit. Got my cam over here, timing chain, valve springs, all that kind of stuff. So right now, current status is I'm gonna be mounting that tank in here. Let's see what that's gonna look like. So I've got to make that fit in here. I'm trying to get some weight distribution. So I'm gonna be mounting that back here somewhere. I don't know exactly where. I was thinking of mounting it right against this back as high as possible. And then overall goal back here is whenever you take out the rear subframe out of the back of this car, you see this tub gets in your way. You got to go down and back. It's super awkward. So next step, I'm going to just cut this all out. I'm going to cut this all out, and then I got to leave just enough room to mount this in here with it down there. So I'm gonna do that. A lot of people mount this thing further down, but I'm tired of taking things in and out. And then I've also got a big $5,000-ish order of stuff coming for the engine. So I'm gonna get heads, intake, all the other stuff, valve covers, rockers, lifters, push rods, all kinds of stuff. The rest of the oiling system's over there. I've got my dry sump pan and everything to go on the bottom of the engine. And I got motor mounts, transmission mounts, and subframe mounts that are all solid. Those are already here, getting ready to put in. So, for everybody asking me all the questions all the time, I am working on it. Life has gotten in the way a lot recently. And, you know, sometimes you just got to focus on life. So I was getting those things done. Now I'm going to focus on this and get it done. Probably have some more updates coming out soon as I do various things. I'll probably break it up into small videos here or there as bits and pieces come about this car. But so yeah, if you want to see what's going to happen with this, with my LS3 rebuild on my Z06, it's going to be pretty nasty. At least I'm hoping it will be. The car was in cam class, which kept me at 2880. It's the new rules. Around 2,800, 2,900 pounds, but I'm gonna go in XU most likely this next year, which is unlimited weight class. So believe me, this thing's getting gutted, and it's gonna be 800-900 horsepower with very low rotational weight and stripped just standard weight. So should be pretty mean. So hit subscribe, be my co-driver. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. If I see you at the next event, I don't know if I'll have this, the GTI, or my Audi RS5, but I'll be there somewhere, maybe just enough to support the club and being there to support motorsports. But thank y'all for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.